So in a food processor, you're just going to add in some gluten-free all-purpose flour, oats, some coconut sugar, baking powder, salt, and then you are just going to process that until it becomes a fine texture and it becomes all like mixed into a soft flour. Then you're just going to add in the coconut oil, and then you're going to process that again. If you're not using a food processor, you can just use a fork to do this. And then you are going to add in about a half cup of water. And then process that until a soft dough forms. Then you're going to transfer the dough into a 6x6 inch pan that's greased or lined, and then you're going to press the dough in with your fingertips until it becomes flat and is evenly coated. Then you're just going to bake the crust for 15 minutes at 350. For the filling, you're just going to add some coconut milk into a saucepan along with some cornstarch, lemon juice, and maple syrup, as well as some turmeric, because that gives it the bright yellow color we all enjoy and love. So then you're just going to whisk that together until it becomes smooth and doesn't look nasty. And then you're going to be doing that over a medium heat until it begins to thicken a bit. So this is going to be about 5 to 7 minutes. And then you're just going to pour that filling into the baked crust. And then you are going to smooth it out with a spatula and then bake it at 350 for another 20 minutes. And then once that's baked, you're going to let it cool for about 2 hours until it's nice and firm.